When it comes to securing your home, windows are one of the most important aspects to consider. In Mandeville, Louisiana, where safety and peace of mind are top priorities for homeowners, the quality and security of your windows can play a significant role in protecting your property and family. Whether you're looking to replace outdated windows or simply upgrade for improved security, investing in high-quality, secure windows can make a world of difference. Here's how Mandeville windows can impact your home's security and why it's essential to choose the right ones for your property. Stronger materials for enhanced protection. One of the primary ways that windows contribute to your home's security is through the materials used in their construction. Older windows, especially those made from wood or single-pane glass, are often much easier to break through than modern window options. A simple strike or force can easily compromise these windows, leaving your home vulnerable to break-ins. Today's windows are made from much stronger materials, such as fiberglass, vinyl, or reinforced glass, all of which offer enhanced durability and resistance to force. Impact-resistant glass is another option that is especially beneficial in hurricane-prone areas like Mandeville, as it's designed to withstand high winds and physical impacts. These modern materials are not only built to last but also provide an added layer of protection that traditional windows simply cannot offer. Advanced locking mechanisms for extra security. When it comes to window security, a sturdy window lock can be the difference between keeping intruders out and allowing them access to your home. Older windows often have weak, outdated locks that can easily be bypassed with simple tools. This creates a major security risk for homeowners who may not realize how vulnerable their windows are. Newer windows, especially those designed with security in mind, feature advanced locking systems that make it much harder for burglars to gain entry. Multi-point locking systems, for example, secure the window at multiple points along the frame, making it far more difficult to force open. These modern locks offer a higher level of security than traditional locks, ensuring that your windows stay securely closed and protected. Additionally, many modern windows are designed to be tamper-resistant, with mechanisms that prevent the window from being easily removed from its frame. Whether you choose casement, double-hung, or sliding windows, the installation of secure locking systems provides an added layer of protection that can deter burglars from targeting your home. Impact-resistant glass for extra durability. In a region like Mandeville, where severe weather events such as hurricanes are a common concern, impact-resistant windows offer peace of mind for homeowners. Traditional glass windows are vulnerable to breaking under high winds or flying debris, which can leave your home exposed to the elements and intruders. Impact-resistant windows are specifically designed to withstand significant forces, whether from a storm or a potential break-in. These windows feature laminated glass that holds together even when shattered, making it much harder for intruders to break through. Not only does impact-resistant glass provide enhanced protection against break-ins, but it also helps protect your home from weather damage, ensuring that your property stays secure in all conditions. Improved visibility and surveillance. Having clear, unobstructed views from your windows can significantly improve your ability to monitor your property for suspicious activity. Windows that are old or fogged up with condensation reduce visibility, making it harder to detect potential threats or intruders before they get too close. Upgrading to new, high-quality windows with clear, distortion-free glass allows you to keep a better eye on your surroundings. Whether you're looking out to the street, driveway, or backyard, the improved visibility provided by modern windows can make it easier to spot potential security risks early. Additionally, if you have outdoor security cameras or motion sensors, clearer windows will allow you to monitor your property more effectively, improving the overall security of your home. Preventing unauthorized access. Another way that Mandeville windows can impact your home's security is by preventing unauthorized access to areas that may otherwise be easy targets. Many older windows, especially those on the first floor or in hidden areas, are often less secure and easier for burglars to open or break. Upgrading to modern windows with reinforced glass and secure locking mechanisms makes it much harder for criminals to access your home undetected. Additionally, windows on higher floors may also be vulnerable, as thieves can use ladders or other tools to access them. Modern windows, designed with enhanced security features such as anti-lift devices, ensure that your windows are not easily removed from the frame, even if an intruder tries to bypass the locks. Increased energy efficiency and comfort. While window security is a primary concern, it's also important to consider the comfort and efficiency of your home. Windows that are poorly sealed or outdated can result in drafts and uneven temperatures, leading to higher energy costs and a less comfortable living environment. This can lead to more frequent use of heating and cooling systems, which can not only increase your energy bills but also create potential gaps in your home's security if windows are left ajar or improperly closed. Energy-efficient windows are designed to provide better insulation, reducing drafts and preventing heat from escaping in the winter and entering in the summer. These windows are sealed tightly, improving your home's comfort while also providing better security by ensuring that no gaps or vulnerabilities are present. A well-insulated home is more difficult to break into because it's less likely that windows will be left open due to temperature fluctuations. Aesthetic appeal and neighborhood deterrence. Finally, replacing your windows with modern, high-quality options can improve the overall appearance of your home, making it less likely to be targeted by burglars. Homes with outdated or poorly maintained windows may appear neglected or vulnerable, attracting the attention of criminals looking for easy targets. In contrast, a home with updated, secure windows signals that it is well maintained and that the homeowner takes security seriously. When your windows are attractive and secure, they not only improve the curb appeal of your property but also act as a deterrent to criminals. Burglars are more likely to target homes that appear run down or easy to break into, but a home with new, reinforced windows is much less likely to be on their radar. Conclusion. Mandeville windows play a crucial role in the security and safety of your home. From enhanced materials and advanced locking systems to impact-resistant glass and improved visibility, new windows can significantly reduce the risk of break-ins and weather-related damage. Whether you're looking to improve your home's security, energy efficiency, or aesthetic appeal, upgrading to modern, high-quality windows provides peace of mind and long-term protection for you and your family.